Okay, so this looks like something like this. I think that's pretty close. Multiple ways. I mean, that's not that bad. Again, several ways to go about this. Might be good for later. Yeah, so this is just random pricks in Modeler. Okay, could this be of use? Yeah, I think so. I think that could be pretty good, actually. Could also, actually, let me just go like that. You could also use the burn tool and create weaker spots. So now you have kind of like your own custom wrinkles. Inverse this if you like. Gaussian blur it more. Could be an idea. Yeah, this is just experimental, honestly. Yeah. Could also continue that by lighten, for example. Good thing is about lighten is that it doesn't take the black here, it doesn't smudge that into the rest of the stuff. yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Again, so this was using random pricks in Lightwave to get that pattern. You can of course also draw it. The name, I don't know what's up with that name, but anyway, also you can see that the name here is not consistent with this name. Anyway, you get the idea. Interesting.